What is going on, y'all? It is Ebony here with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be doing a hair soak. So not a detox. I'm not washing my hair. I'm literally just going to be soaking my hair in water and a few other things that I'll mention once I do this voiceover. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And I hope you brought a friend. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair after I do this soak, but yeah, just stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. It's time, guys. So let's do it. Right here, I'm starting off with my aloe vera juice and some hot water that I heated up in my tea kettle. I really wasn't measuring too much, and all I ended up doing I said I didn't measure, but here I am about to tell you measurements. I did about 4 cups of my aloe vera juice, and I don't know how much of that hot water, but I'm also grabbing some. This is just regular tap water I have in a jug to cool down that boiling hot water that I had. Right there, I just inserted about 10 drops of tea tree oil. I didn't have any eucalyptus oil in that other bottle. And right there is some rosemary drops. Just a quick swish around with my hand, and it's time to dip. I could have put some more water in here. I'm not even going to hold you. But at the same time, this was just enough. I turned around when needed to just make sure all of my hair got submerged in the water. I did make sure to work my hair from the roots to the tips. Even though I did not use shampoo, I made sure to hit my scalp and made sure I gave it a good scrub, because definitely the oil dirt buildup was still there, and I just wanted to make sure I got some of that out. In all, I may have laid here maybe for about 10, no more than 15 minutes. No more than 15 minutes, because I was like, I need to hurry up and do this hair. So yeah, this is me turning around, making sure I got the front of my hair closer to my crown area. And of course I had to give my hair a sniff. I just wanted to make sure I could smell or see what I could smell. I was hoping to smell my the essential oils I put in there, and I did. My hair smells very herbaceous, I would say. I love that type of smell. Y'all, why is my hair that dirty? No soap was used in the making of this video. It's really ridiculous. But you gotta think, it's pollution, it's still sweat, it's still dirt. And like I mentioned before in another video, locs, they're sponges, so they absorb and hold on to a lot of stuff. This isn't a retwist video, but you guys haven't seen me retwist my hair in a while, and as you all know, I needed it. So here I'm just finishing up my retwisting style. I decided to do plaits, except for the very front of my hair. For my bang, I did a 2-strand twist for essentially 4 locks, so 2 2-strand twists, and the rest were braids. And it came out really cute. Look at me. I had a lot of new growth, guys, so it's always exciting to see how long the locks get after a good retwist.
That's way too reckless. I get too jealous. Cause you big from the east or overseas. I learned my lesson. I'm way too westy. Cause you be my baby. I'm just undressing all of these sections of my face.
Alrighty guys, and here we have the final look. My hair feels and my scalp feels so good. It feels refreshed, it feels rehydrated, and I really do believe I'm going to be doing more just hair soaks in my water, aloe vera juice, and essential oils. I will upgrade, like I said before, to like actual herbs and things and put it in like a little tea steeper and just let it sit in the water. But really excited about the results, and my hair was dirty just from letting it soak in the water. It's crazy. But yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm about to finish eating my cereal and get out of here. I hope you guys have a blessed day. I hope you guys have a safe day, and yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and go pick you up something from my shop at www.riahsafari.com. All right. Peace, y'all.